In keeping with the theme of Valentine's Day, I decided to make kitten mittens. Aren't they so cute? They have little hearts on them. So the fun thing about these is, first, they can keep your hands warm. If you live somewhere that you don't really need mittens, these are a really cute dress-up item. My kids love to play animals, especially kittens, and so this is a huge hit with my kiddos. This is a super cute and easy project using a thrift store sweater, some felt, a sewing machine, a little bit of hot glue, and some embroidery thread. Let me show you how. Kitten mitten, kitten mitten, kitten mitten.